Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a world of blooms, boxwoods, and a surprising twist involving bullies. But first, let's set the scene with a question. Have you ever walked through a garden and felt a sense of peace wash over you? That feeling of serenity and beauty is what we're exploring today. I'm excited to take you on this journey through nature and the unexpected. Gardens are more than just pretty flowers and neatly trimmed hedges. They hold stories, lessons, and sometimes even surprises. So, let's start with the stars of the show, blooms and boxwoods. Blooms, those colorful petals bursting with life, bring joy to any garden. But did you know they do more than just look pretty? Each bloom has a purpose beyond beauty. They attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, ensuring the cycle of life continues. It's like a buzzing, vibrant community right here in our garden. Now, let's talk about boxwoods. These dense green hedges aren't just for show. They're like the backbone of a garden, providing structure and definition. Think of them as the garden's silent heroes, standing tall and keeping everything in order. But what happens when something disrupts this tranquil world? Enter the bullies. Yes, you heard that right, bullies in the garden. But who are these bullies? And what do they have to do with our beautiful blooms and boxwoods? Stick around to find out. Unfortunately, gardens can face challenges just like we do. Pests, diseases, and even other plants can act like garden bullies, causing havoc and stress. Imagine a rose struggling to thrive because of a pesky aphid infestation, or a boxwood hedge losing its shape due to unruly weeds. It's like a garden drama unfolding before our eyes. But fear not. Every garden has its heroes too, gardeners like you and me. We can take action to protect our plants and restore harmony. By nurturing our blooms, maintaining our boxwoods, and tackling garden bullies head-on, we can create a thriving, peaceful haven. So, whether you're a seasoned gardener or just getting started, remember this: every bloom and boxwood deserves a chance to shine. Together, we can cultivate not just a garden, but a community of nature lovers standing against the bullies of the plant world. Thanks for joining me on this journey through blooms, boxwoods, and the unexpected. Stay tuned for more exciting garden adventures. And remember, in the garden of life, let's always choose kindness over being a garden bully.